She's come all the way from Dubai.
Thank you. And Chicago.
And Chicago.
That's lovely, beautiful. Car launched with touching and those stations.
Right, perfect.
Chalo.
Look here, ma'am. Sawal sir.
Ready, sir, for showing it to us. Ardha Matsendra Asan. Yes, our Honorable Prime Minister did this. You're right. Our Honorable Prime Minister gave this posture to us. But for those who are used to, I want you to bend from the other knee. Lift that hand up. Place it. And look right behind. So your shoulders and a straight line behind. Squeeze it there.
Uncle, sit.
Place the other side. Then, if possible, slowly hold your arm. Okay, this is the way to do it. Oh, very good.
Okay, 7 seconds.
Then, bring out. Flutter, butterfly.
1 minute, sir. Sir, थोड़ा smile, sir. ऐसा.
ఎప్పుడు నేను అని నువ్వే వచ్చినావు మరి.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe in. Alright, are we ready? Go on the mat. This beautiful mat that we have of white color. So we can manage. Deep. Get into postures. One leg is. You can place a handkerchief. So you can use this napkin and place it there. Wonderful. Oh, well done. Well done. Back straight. Breathe deep. Very good, sir.
Put the smile in, sir. Okay, sir. Ready? 1 minute, sir.
Slowly come back.
It was fantastic day. Good morning, our Prime Minister Modi ji taking the big lead. There were more than 5 lakh participants across the country and outside. And imagine our own Prime Minister in sitting in Vizag and the entire neighborhood both joined the big party of yoga. Yoga is, I think, one of the biggest gifts the ancient India has given to the rest of the world. In fact, I am basically also a patron of yoga because my journey started about 5 years back when the COVID came.
Our 11th International Yoga Day celebration, where the theme is Yoga for One Earth, One Health. We are also registered through Surya Foundation in collaboration with the Ministry of Ayush Government of India, where Country Club Pan India believes in going ahead and giving yoga to the world, giving that happiness, love, peace and tranquility and oneness in the world. So it's a huge honor for all of us to be together here at Country Club, because this time we're going to also receive the certificate by them. So it's absolutely a fabulous feeling for all of us to be one with one and all, and at the same time where we look forward to physical, mental, spiritual and holistic happiness and healthy living of an individual. I'm going to truly thank all our friends from the media and the entire world for joining us for this magnificent celebration. I've just been back from New York, Chicago, Dubai, and I'm here this morning only at Country Club for this prestigious event and for the grand unveiling of Country Condos, which believes in the same belief in giving that oneness, in giving that peace, in giving that togetherness of families and our loved ones. So it's a double whammy for me, and I'm truly humbled to be here as the brand ambassador for Yoga for Country Club. Thank you to each and every one of you, and let's cheer, and with a divine blessing, I'm going to go ahead and have this 2-line prayer of yoga. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Hari Om. Love you all.
Watching the Prime Minister Modi ji and Vizag with almost about 4 lakh people in the country participating in this huge episode, and then all the country clubs across the country were packed with members. I mean, country club is known for its USP, the health and fitness, and yoga is definitely a huge part in health and fitness. Today, we can totally say that ancient India's discovery of yoga has now today become global. A lot of Hollywood actors, actresses, and a lot of Bollywood people practice yoga on a daily basis. They make it a part of their lifestyle. Like I myself was telling, I made it a part of my lifestyle 5 years back, and then I have lost about 30 kgs, and it is really fantastic because it disciplines you. You have to go to it with a sense of passion, a sense of purpose. I am in a very responsible position, so I try to sleep early, get up early, and try to spend about 2 hours in the gym, and I swim about 1 kilometer a day. Plus with yoga and all that, without that my exercise regimen is not complete. And also because we are working on a lot of pressure because of so many factors. And life has been very good, very kind, and especially with yoga, your mental health is in a very balanced state. So I think that in today's world, yoga is a necessity. It is a must for everybody. So I wish everybody happy International Yoga Day. Thank you.